My name is Craig Morgan. I'm a qualified electrician and technical advisor for Nuaire. Today I'm going to install the new DriMaster EcoHeat, Nuaire's latest and redesigned positive input ventilation system, also known as a PIV. Before we start the installation, here is a quick checklist of what to look out for in the loft to ensure a safe and effective installation. Let's start with what's in the box. The new circular diffuser is unique to the market. Not only is it more aesthetically pleasing, but its shape makes it easier to line up when installing. The control interface is housed within the diffuser to allow adjustment of speed, heater and unit temperature control, so it can be set and adjusted from the hallway without having to access the loft. The DriMaster EcoHeat has a 400 watt thermostatically controlled heater which is designed to fit directly to the diffuser. This unique feature provides minimal heat loss as the air is heated at the point of input on the unit. This new design creates a quick and simple install using less energy than a conventional PIV system with integral heater. The heater is also fitted with a bimetallic thermal trip for safety. The flexible ducting is 2 meters in length to overcome installation restrictions. The DriMaster Eco range can be suspended using the nylon cord supplied. This makes installation quicker and easier. The ability to suspend the unit allows you to capitalize on the solar gain within your loft to save more energy. This unit has 6 speed and 5 temperature control options to suit all property requirements. These 5-year filters ensure that the supply air is filtered, and B&G 4 grade means that they are so fine that they will even exclude pollen, which is great for hay fever sufferers. The fuse connection unit is supplied complete with the necessary 3 amp fuse, and must be installed by a qualified electrician to the latest IEE regulations. The diffuser has a unique throw pattern, and it is essential that it is located correctly in the central hallway. To install the diffuser, we need to cut out a section of the ceiling. Find the central location on the landing ceiling to install the diffuser. If possible, make sure that this is at least 1 meter away from a smoke alarm or carbon monoxide detector. Now that we've taken our measurements of the ceiling in the hall, transfer these measurements to the loft above. This should fall somewhere between 2 joists. Mark the center point between these 2 joists. We now have the correct location to drill a hole through the ceiling to give a center point below. Using the supplied diffuser template, carefully line up the template with the center point and mark out the section to be cut. Once this is done, cut out the section ready for the diffuser. Fit the diffuser into the aperture and secure using the screws and plasterboard plugs supplied. Once the diffuser is secured, slide the ducting over the heater and over the screws. Attach the supplied cable tie to below the screws to seal the duct to the heater. Connect the data cable to the diffuser interface panel and then connect the heater to the diffuser. Next, attach the ducting to the fan and secure using the cable tie. Fix a screw to a convenient joist near the diffuser. If possible, suspend the unit approximately 2/3 of the loft height to capitalize on solar gain, making sure the duct is not overstretched. Once this is done, ensure that the filters are fitted securely. When the unit is in position, connect the data cable from the heater to the unit. And then connect the heater mains cable back to the unit. As with any data and mains cables, ensure that there is a minimum of 50mm separation between the heat, power and the data cable. Finally, before connecting the DriMaster Eco to the fuse connection unit, check that the supply voltage is correct. Isolate at the mains before connecting the DriMaster to the fuse connection unit. Once this has been connected, reinstate the power supply. When the install is complete, we recommend securing the cables either side of the duct using the cable ties supplied to create a neat finish. Once powered up, the DriMaster Eco will automatically go through the temperature control option for 2 minutes. After the 2 minutes has elapsed, the unit will display the fan speed. To set the fan speed, press the up or down button. It's important when setting the heater temperature to turn the dial to set your target temperature. We recommend a midpoint of 10 degrees. When the supply air falls below this set point, the heater will automatically switch on, and when the supply air is above 10 degrees Celsius, it will automatically shut off to save energy for the user. Remote switches are available to provide the occupant control over their own comfort within the home. For this unit, I'm going to install a 4-way switch, which will require binding to the DriMaster Eco unit. Press and hold both up and down buttons on the diffuser for 20 to 30 seconds, then release. A single horizontal bar will now flash on the display. Press the down button to enter binding mode. The display will flash B to indicate it has entered binding mode. This will indicate for 5 minutes.